Yep, on the kitchen counter.
Oh no.
And yeah. Now she's looking at the refrigerator.
Of course. I was like, we're not supposed to do that.
Damn it. What do we start getting after her? Should we start getting after her early?
We'll let her explore for a bit.
Oh god, she's gonna put her butthole right down on my counter.
We're gonna need to disinfect the entire counter
Oh
anyway.
god. Put the starfish stamp. She put her stamp of approval on my goddamn kitchen counter.
No, what's going on?